Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was the day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So today we are going to create one mini project. So first I will show you this. So here we have to help the ducky. So for this we need to just press our up arrow, down arrow. So you will get, suppose if you want a cake, so you need to just take a cake. So this is our project. We are going to create this project, okay? So how we will start that? So first we want to add some backdrop. So according to your choice, you can add a backdrop. So here we have our backdrop, and after that we want to add our sprite. So we have the first sprite as a Patrick's, we have cake, we have mad fish, and we have one banner. Okay. So in the banner, what we can write? We can write help Partik get the cake. Don't let the mad fish touch. Partik thought good luck. Okay. So now we will start from our Patrick's. So here what we will do? We will start from this because what is algorithm we will use here when up arrow key is pressed, when down arrow, when left arrow, when right arrow. So first when flag is clicked, we want 90 direction 90-degree for our particles. Okay, pattern. After that, we will initially go to this position, which is the 0 and 0. We need to just wait for a second. In the forever, what we will do? If we will press the up arrow or W, even if you will press the W, what will happen? We are able to move to the up direction. Same for down arrow. If we will press the down arrow key or your S key, so we have to go to the down side. Okay. So always in Y position, like your up and down, we need to use X and Y. So see, this is our up direction. For here, we will use positive Y number. Here we will use minus means negative Y. Here we will use on the right direction positive x, on the left direction negative x. Okay. So as you can see, for up arrow we will go to y by 15. On the down arrow we will go change y by minus 15. On the left arrow means this one. On the left side we need to change our x by minus 15. On the right direction we will change x by positive 15. So this is our first algorithm we have to use for matrix. After that, what we have when flag is clicked, so we want to clear all the graphic effect because we have to apply the graphic effect here. And if we will touch to this mad fish, what will happen? We want to change a ghost effect by one. Let's see. If I will click on this mad fish, we want to change a effect. You are able to change the effect here. And we want to play a sound. So when flag is clicked, we want this drum funky sound. Instead of this sound, even you can add any other sound also. And last part we have, when flag is clicked in forever, we want to change y by 2 and change y by minus 2 means up and down. Up and down you will get. So what you will get, see this one, this ups and downs. Okay, like change y by 2 and change y by minus 2. So this is only algorithm we have to use for our pattern. Like when up arrow key is pressed or when down arrow key is pressed or when left arrow key is pressed or right arrow key is pressed. For that we want to just move, we want to apply the sound here, and if we will touch to the mad fish, we want to change a ghost effect, and in the forever we want to change our y, means we want little bit animation here for this part trick. After that we have a cake. So for the cake what we will do, when flag is clicked, we want to clear our graphic effect and we want to change a color effect by 5. When flag is clicked, first we want to change this fill effect, then fishy eye. So from where you will get that, you need to just check a color. So here in the looks, we have this. What? Change effect, where you will get this one. Instead of color, you will get all the options like fisheye, viral, pixelate, mosaic, everything. Okay. And when flag is clicked, what we want here, we want to switch a costume to KK, because for the cake, we have a lots of costume and then we want to hide that. We want to repeat this 7 times. What thing we want to repeat here? In the go to X and Y, we want to pick a random value. Why? Because randomly we want to move to any place. We have to repeat until it will touch to this Patrick. What we will do, we will change our Y by 1 and we will take a left turn by 5 degrees. Why? Because if your cake will touch to this Patrick, we want to rotate the cake. Okay. After that, again we will just wait for a second and again we will turn the left. And if that will touch, if cake will touch to this Patrick, it will say yay. Even you can increase or decrease the song volume. We can start a sound which is chop. We need to wait for some second and it will say blank and then we have to hide. After that, again we will go to 0 and 0 position. We want 90 degree for the cake. Even instead of 90, we can add 180 to 70, any degree. And then we want to switch a costume. Then we will go to the front layer. Even we can backward, we have to show. And we will just say cake got good job. And then we will stop everything. Wait, I will show you. See the cake. Cake is moving. Cake is turning. Just because we took turn left and turn right degree. Okay. Then we have a third one, which is your mad fish. So for the mad fish, what we are going to do, when flag is clicked, if your mad fish will touch to this Patrick, we have to set a volume. We will decrease the volume and we will play a sound which is ripple. And when flag is clicked, we want a mad fish size random, means sometime you will get big fish, sometime you will get small fish, like a random value between 15 to 80. And again, when flag is click here, we want to hide. Initially we want to hide that. After waiting 1 second, we want to show your fish. It will go to the random position. It will wait for random time. So this is our random position. And then we will come to the front layer, not back layer, front layer. Then we will back to one layer. We have to show this mad fish. And always it will change a y direction by -40. Instead of this value, even you can add any other value also. If this will touch to your Patrick, so we want to hide the mad fish. Like see, now mad fish will hide. If Patrick will touch to mad fish will hide. After some time, again you will get your mad fish. Okay, see? Great. Now, last thing we have our banner. So when flag is clicked, we want to hide the banner, but after some time we want this position, which is your 104 and 37. Okay, we have to repeat this 2 times because we want to show the banner. So in this way, we can create this project, which is mini project, which is our Patrick Cake Madfish project. Okay. And last thing, we have our backdrop. For backdrop, what we have two backdrop here. When flag is clicked, we want to switch the backdrop to your underwater. In the forever, we want to change the brightness. Even you will change the color also. You can change the fisheye also. You can change pixelate also. Even you can change the brightness. Even you can change the ghost effect also. Miss, according to your choice, according to your project need, you can change that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. Thank you so much.